In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Stock Screener in TradingView. The Stock Screener is a fantastic tool for investors and traders alike, allowing you to search and filter stocks based on various criteria. Let's dive in and explore how to effectively use this feature to optimize your trading strategy. First, we need to head over to the TradingView website. From there, you'll find a link to the Stock Screener, which is your gateway to discovering and evaluating different stocks. Once you're on the Stock Screener page, you'll see a wealth of information at your fingertips, but let's focus on making this data work for you. Next, click on the Stocks tab. This step will ensure that you're viewing the right assets, filtering out commodities or other types of investments that might not be relevant to your current trading research. Once you've filtered down to stocks, our next action will be to click on Analyst Rating. This is a crucial step as it allows you to see how different analysts are rating these stocks. Understanding whether they see a stock as a strong buy, strong sell, or somewhere in between can provide valuable insights. Now, you might want to prioritize this information. To do so, click on Move to the Start to shift the most relevant columns to the front of your view. This will ensure the data most critical to your trading decisions is right there when you need it. Following this, you'll want to change the percent setting. This adjustment can help you tailor your screener to identify stocks that meet your specific percentage change criteria. Whether you're looking for stocks on the rise or trying to spot a dip, this feature is vital. Then, direct your attention to the column settings by clicking on Column Settings. Customizing these settings will help you control the data visible to you, allowing you to focus on the parameters that matter most to your analysis and trading strategy. At this point, you might want to narrow down your time frame. For instance, you can select 1 week to filter stocks based on their activity over the past week. This kind of focus can help you identify short-term trends and opportunities. Volume is another critical metric, so click on Volume to see stocks with significant trading activity. After that, you can click on Sort Descending to arrange your stocks starting with the highest volume. This can guide you towards stocks showing more buzz in the market. Next, you should look for pullbacks, especially stocks with no more than a 5% change. This could identify potential opportunities for buying into strong stocks at a discount. You'll then notice which stocks are marked as strong buys. These are stocks that might be worthy of your attention according to analyst consensus. Once you identify a qualified stock that meets all your criteria, don't forget to click the little flag icon on the left. Flagging these stocks keeps them handy for future reference, ensuring you can quickly return to them when ready to make your trading move. With these steps, you'll effectively harness the stock screener in TradingView, making informed decisions that align with your trading goals. Happy trading!